Well, good morning. We've come back out here to the Bentonite Hills. We had a great night. Didn't get too cold. It was very windy again, as normal. And yeah, this is one of the really spectacular places, I think, out here. And we're going to get the drone up in a minute. There's another gentleman who's taking a drone up for the first time, and I don't want to have a crash. So I'm going to wait. But yeah, it's a gorgeous area. Let me give you a view. Unfortunately, we have very soft, flat light today. Except in those hills in the background there. They're beautifully lit up. In fact, let's zoom out there and take a look. Yeah, all the way down there, just gorgeous. And so the last shots were facing west, and now I'm facing east. Just gorgeous. Check out these black rocks here. Just laying in the red earth. Blacks and grays. Even up here you might see some yellows. Then off this way. Now, I think I may have done some drone work here in the past, and if it's got some sunny, more contouring and stuff, I'll play that here as well. Oh yeah, you recognize that right there in the center, in the distance? Factory Butte, where we were, I guess the night before last. It's hard to remember. Well, it is time to go get the drone now. Seems like that gentleman has finished his flying, so we'll be doing that. And like I said, we'll be going off and doing laundry and getting some showers. Badly needed showers. So, all right. Well, we ended up getting some sun here at the Bentonite Hills. So hopefully the drone footage turns out and you'll see some interesting things. I thought so. It is strange though, because in some ways I almost wonder if there's as much color here as there used to be. Did it wash away in the rains and the snows and whatever? I don't know. But yeah, so was a good drone flight and give you the best shots. So, like I said, we're going to be off for laundry and showers. And man, this, you know, it is so gorgeous around here. I mean, everywhere you look, it's just amazing, stunning, beautiful, whatever. I like this guy up here. It's like the castle, the watchtower for this area. Highest point in this area. Pretty cool. So we're coming to the end of the Cathedral Valley route. Now we are on the western entrance. We came in the eastern entrance. And what you get to do here is go through a river crossing, and I thought you guys might enjoy seeing that. The only thing about it I will say is that sometimes it always changes where you get out. So we have to kind of get up here and take a look and figure it out. Because you have to drive through the river. Let's see here.
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
Up there to the right, yeah.
Yeah, it's always to the right. Used to be straight across. Here we go through the river. It's not that deep. I did this in my VW bus. I used to come down and
Years ago.
40. She's gonna give me shit, but it's kind of fun to tell you guys like how things have changed, you know. But all right, well, and then you drive on up, and you can either go to Capitol Reef or you can go back to Hanksville, or you can go to that corral over there. That's kind of cool. Let's go check it out.
Looks like its road's been improved.
Yeah. There's a lot of changes, and we used to have a really cool river campground here. Yeah, I don't even think this road used to be here. Goes up. We're not going that way, but that'd be kind of fun to look at. Pretty extensive corral here. Posted private property. It is private property here. Very speckled with private and public property. But anyway, this campsite that we had was down here. We call it the river site. It's been slowly eroded away over the years. I came one year, and then the end of like 2014 or 15, 16, something like that. Came back like the next year, and they had a lot of rain, and one of the massive trees that I had a photograph of was gone. But we noticed from the road that it appears the whole thing is gone now. And they put picnic tables out and stuff. It used to be just a boondock spot, so who knows. Anyway, that's probably more talk than we needed. All right, we'll see you probably on the road.